coughing. Every so often I wake up coughing, or choking, but coughing. And some I could be sitting here at this computer or reading a book, and I start coughing. Am I smoking? No. Am I drinking anything? Am I eating anything? Hopefully not. I start coughing. And I just, cough, 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 cough. And I can't figure that out. Maybe I got lung cancer, or I have emphysema. I'm smoking my toothpick. You smoke a toothpick? Oh yeah, it's better than tobacco. No, I don't smoke pot either. I've never smoked. Oh, I had a cigar in my mouth for a movie I was in, but beyond that point, I don't smoke. No, it wasn't lit. I just had a thing there in my mouth. Maybe I got, oh my God, I got cancer from my tongue from the tobacco. Or I happen to have Rush Limbaugh disease. What was that? Both lungs failed. That's this time with cigar. Oh yes, I have my Cuban cigars. Yeah, they killed you. But I don't know why I'm coughing. I have to ask my thing. It's kind of like eating. Every so often I gag. Maybe I got cancer in this little pipe going down my stomach. Yeah, or maybe it's just old age. I don't know what to think. I should have asked my mother about old age. Hey, Mom, do you ever choke? Ever cough? But now I know people who do cough because they smoked for years and affected their lungs. They cough all the time, but it's from smoking. I don't smoke. I do have a wood burner. Maybe that's it. 50 years of wood burning. Just like that, yeah. For some reason, I start coughing. My doctors say, take 4 breaths. It's the air. It's polluted. Wait a minute. Which way is the wind blowing from O'Hare Field? Terrible. The people who live east of O'Hare Field with a western wind. Yes, all that CO2 and other chemicals, unburned chemicals from the exhaust of planes. Do y'all live there next to a highway? Not really. There's really no traffic down there. But why isn't there traffic there? Well, to the north, there's a lot here, big field here, big field there, big field there, big field there, or a few houses there. But I don't know. Maybe it's just as a child, I couldn't run. Don't know. Coughing. Hey, my life is slipping away. So